Hello everyone, I hope you're well and having a really good day today. My name is Marina and welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be something I've never done before. So I am going to film a cleaning product haul. I absolutely love watching cleaning product hauls here on YouTube because it just inspires me to keep my house clean and tidy. Don't know why. I know, like, you should clean anyway, which I do, but you know. You've probably all heard of Mrs. Hinch. This is where this whole new like cleaning craze has come from, but I'm just gonna jump in and show you everything I bought yesterday. So I went to Home Bargains, which I've only ever been to twice. I normally go to B&M, but I was near at Home Bargains, so I had to go in. So firstly, I picked up the 1001 Carpet Fresh spray. So this, I literally just sprayed some on my carpet and I got it all up the wall. Hopefully Dan won't notice, it's kind of disappeared now. This is the Spring Blossom and Mandarin scent. It has a little cap like that, and you just like squirt it onto the carpet. Can you see? And it's like little like foam, and it literally just soaks up into the carpet. It smells delicious. This one smells really nice, like of mandarin, but you can get other scents. I saw 3 scents, but I chose this one. It dries quickly, you don't need to hoover it up or anything, but yeah, I just thought I'd get that just to have a nice smell, you know. I do use shake and vac as well, but I just thought that'd be really nice. Next up, I got some surf washing detergent. This is Tropical Lily and Ylang Ylang. I've got one of these big ones at the moment and it's lasted so long, and I think it was on an offer. So yeah, I just picked up one of those as well. I got some thick bleach, Original Blast. This was so cheap. It was like, I want to say like 40p or 60p, probably 60p. But I just thought, so good. Haven't used this one before, I normally just get Asda one, but thought I'd give it a go because I'm running low on my bleach. Then I picked up some Astonish Daily Shower Shine Spray. So after I shower, I always spray the inside of the shower with this, just because it helps keep the shower clean, and it like soaks up all the like soap, scum and things, and you don't have to spray it after. You can just spray and leave. So I really recommend this. It's a really big bottle as well, and this was 79p. Absolute bargain. I picked up some Fairy washing up liquid. This is in the Clean and Fresh Apple Orchard scent, and this big bottle literally lasts in my house like 8-9 months because we have a dishwasher, so we don't wash up very much, but literally love that. And the green apple scent is amazing. That was £1.99, so it's so good. Boring, but I got some black bags, and I got a Mr. Muscle drain on blocker value tea pack because my bathroom always like clogs up. It's so frustrating. I picked up some Sif bathroom ultra fast cleaner. I haven't used the Sif one before. I normally use Flash, but I've got the Sif in like the squeeze bottle for my kitchen, and it is amazing. So I wanted to try Sif for the bathroom, and then when my Flash kitchen runs out, I'll buy the Sif kitchen spray. So yeah, thought I would try that one. That was £1. I picked up some soda crystals. I used to like hate these. Well, not hate them, but I was like, why do you need these? But they're actually really good. You can use them to clean your washing machine, or I get a cup and pour it down the drain, and then pour a kettle full of hot water, then a cup full of Sephora, and it just cleans out the drain, but it also makes the kitchen smell amazing. This helps surfaces. You can dissolve grease and remove grime from pans, extractor hoods, barbecue lids. You can use it in your laundry. Less detergent needed. But yeah, this was like £1, but I highly recommend soap crystals. They're so good. I got a blue toilet block thing just because I really like my toilet water to be blue. Don't know why, but yeah, I always get the big one because the smaller ones hardly last at all. Next I got some antibacterial surface wipes in apple flavour. I've never tried this brand before. It's Power Action. I normally get the Asda ones, but this was 4 for £1, so I picked up 4. Yeah, there you go. I picked up 4 of these. And you get 50 wipes in 1 pack, but I thought 4 for £1 is really good. I normally pay £1 for 1 pack in Asda, so hopefully they're good. They are cut through grease and dirt, alcohol and bleach free, kills E. coli, MRSA, flu virus, salmonella and listeria, whatever listeria is. Formulation to kill 99.9% of bacteria. That's pretty good considering there is no alcohol in there. And then I also picked up some Power Action floor wipes, again in the apple scent, and these again were for £1. So they say exactly the same thing, like, but I just like floor wipes because they're bigger. I always use these in my bathroom. And the last thing I got was, it's not cleaning but I'm going to show you anyway, it's a shopping list. I saw one of these in Clinton's and it was like £3 and I was like, do I do it? It was Primark actually, but I didn't get it. But this was like 70p, so I just picked it up because I love a shopping list. Like, who does not love a shopping list? But yeah, that is my little cleaning haul for you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know what your favourite cleaning product is in the comments down below. Now I need to put this all away because Dan was like, you better put it away after. I was like, I will. But yeah, had a nice deep clean of my house yesterday. Just love doing a deep clean. It just feels so fresh once it's done. But yeah, let me know if you actually enjoyed watching this video and if you would like me to do more of these in the future. Next time I go cleaning product shopping, I just love watching them. But yeah, I'd like to know if you like this or if you want to see more cleaning based videos, let me know. But yes, thank you again for watching. I've said this like 3 times now, so I'm actually gonna go. Bye, I hope you have a good day. Oh yes, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. I need to do a thumbnail. What can I hold up? Let's hold up some Hinch. Let's hold up some apple white. Let's hold up a little toilet thing. Oh, it's gonna fall quick. I need something white. Simple too. And there's my thumbnail.